Ever wondered what links aging, degenerative diseases, and hormonal imbalances? Let's unravel this mystery today. Our journey begins with understanding the complex relationship between aging, degenerative diseases, and hormonal imbalances. These factors intricately intertwine, each influencing the other in ways we are still uncovering. But we do have some pieces of the puzzle, and two of these pieces are the hormones progesterone and serotonin. Progesterone and serotonin play starring roles in our health and disease narratives. They are not just supporting acts, they are central characters, influencing our body's functions and responses in significant ways. Progesterone, for example, is crucial for successful pregnancy and gestation, while serotonin is vital for nighttime hormone production. And here's where it gets interesting, the story of our health doesn't end there. It's not just about these hormones in isolation. It's about how they interact with our body's metabolic processes, and how these interactions can lead to health or disease. Aging and degenerative diseases are often associated with metabolic depression and inflammation. This is where our body's metabolic processes slow down, and inflammation, our body's response to injury or infection, goes into overdrive. This state of affairs is akin to a car engine running on low fuel and high heat. It's not a sustainable situation, and it can lead to various health issues, including degenerative diseases. So, where do anti-serotonin agents come into the picture? They are emerging as potential saviors in this scenario. By countering the effects of serotonin, these agents can potentially help to treat various degenerative conditions. But the key word here is potential. The field of hormonal imbalances and their relationship with aging and disease is still a burgeoning one, and there's much we have yet to discover. Grasping the interconnectedness of these factors will empower you to make informed health decisions. So, let's dive deeper into this fascinating world of hormones, aging, and disease, and see what secrets we can uncover. Did you know? The reproductive cycle of minks offers fascinating insights into progesterone's role in pregnancy and gestation. The mink, a creature of the wild, has a unique reproductive cycle that delays the implantation of the fertilized ovum until the arrival of the spring equinox. The timing isn't a mere coincidence. It's a dance of hormones, illustrating the indispensable role of progesterone in initiating pregnancy and gestation. Progesterone, often the unsung hero of the hormonal world, is the catalyst that sets the stage for pregnancy. It nurtures an oxygen-rich environment, a welcoming nursery, if you will, necessary for the embryo to implant. It's a delicate balance, a fine-tuned orchestra where progesterone takes the lead. However, this symphony of hormones is not without its hurdles. Estrogen and serotonin, two other key players, can play spoilsport, inhibiting the functions of progesterone. It's a bit like having two maestros trying to conduct the orchestra, causing a cacophony instead of a harmonious melody. The luteal phase of a woman's menstrual cycle, characterized by progesterone dominance, mirrors this process of pregnancy. It's a rehearsal of sorts, preparing for the potential arrival of an embryo. If the embryo does implant, the process of pregnancy continues seamlessly thanks to progesterone. If not, progesterone levels drop, giving estrogen its cue to enter the tissues and trigger menstruation. In essence, progesterone is the key that unlocks the door to pregnancy, while estrogen and serotonin can be seen as gatekeepers, ensuring that conditions are just right before allowing the process to continue. The dance of hormones is a complex one, with each player having its part to play. Understanding the role of progesterone, how it works in harmony with, and sometimes against other hormones, can offer us valuable insights into our health and well-being. So, the next time you see a mink, remember, it's not just a creature of the wild, it's a living, breathing lesson in progesterone, a testament to the intricate and fascinating world of hormones that govern our bodies. Understanding progesterone's functions can help us appreciate its role in our own health and well-being. Progesterone deficiency can have serious consequences, but what causes it? Let's delve into this. Progesterone deficiency can occur due to a variety of reasons, some of which are directly linked to our lifestyle and dietary habits. One such cause is a deficiency in thyroid hormones, which play a crucial role in the production of progesterone. Similarly, deficiencies in vitamin A and cholesterol, essential components for hormone synthesis, can also contribute to progesterone deficiency. Light exposure, or rather the lack of it, can also impact progesterone levels. Adequate sunlight, especially in the morning, helps regulate our hormonal balance, and a deficiency can disrupt this balance. Diet also plays a significant role. Excess intake of polyunsaturated fats can suppress the body's ability to produce progesterone. These fats, found in vegetable oils and some types of fish, can interfere with the enzymes needed for progesterone synthesis. And then there's serotonin, a hormone that, while essential for our well-being, can cause problems when its levels get too high. Serotonin acts as a precursor to melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. While it has been studied for its potential to extend lifespan and prevent cancer, an excess of serotonin can suppress the production of thyroid hormones and progesterone. The consequences of progesterone deficiency are far-reaching. It can disrupt the menstrual cycle, leading to fertility issues. It can lead to a lack of energy, mood swings, and even contribute to the development of health conditions, such as osteoporosis and certain cancers. But here's the good news. Understanding the causes of progesterone deficiency allows us to take proactive steps to prevent it. Eating a balanced diet, ensuring we get adequate light exposure, and managing stress, which can also increase serotonin release, are all proactive steps we can take. Knowing the causes and consequences of progesterone deficiency can guide us in preventing and addressing this issue. So let's continue to learn, adapt, and strive for hormonal balance to maintain our health and vitality. Serotonin, a crucial hormone for nighttime hormone production, has a dual nature. Let's delve into its complexities. This hormone, often associated with feelings of well-being and happiness, plays a key role when the sun sets and our bodies transition into the realm of sleep. Serotonin acts as a precursor to melatonin, the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle, signaling to our bodies that it's time to rest. It's during these quiet hours of rest that our bodies rejuvenate, repair, and even extend our lifespans. Some studies have even suggested that serotonin has the potential to prevent cancer, an exciting revelation indeed. But, like a double-edged sword, serotonin also has a darker side. While it aids in nighttime hormone production and has potential health benefits, it can also suppress other vital hormones, specifically thyroid and progesterone. The thyroid hormone is a key player in our metabolism, helping us break down food and convert it into energy. When serotonin suppresses thyroid production, our metabolic functions could be compromised. Progesterone, on the other hand, is essential for various functions in the body, including maintaining pregnancy. Its suppression by serotonin could potentially lead to hormonal imbalances that may affect a woman's menstrual cycle and fertility. Furthermore, it's important to note that serotonin's protective nature is not universally supported. In other words, what works for one may not work for all. Each individual's body responds differently to serotonin, and an excess can lead to a condition known as serotonin syndrome, characterized by high body temperature, agitation, increased reflexes, tremors, sweating, dilated pupils, and diarrhea. So, what does this mean for us? It's about balance. Understanding serotonin's dual nature can help us make better health decisions. We need to recognize that while serotonin plays an important role in our bodies, too much of it can disrupt the harmony of our hormonal orchestra. Understanding serotonin's dual nature can help us make better health decisions. Hormones are not solitary actors. They interact in complex ways that impact our health. Let's delve into one such intricate dance involving stress, estrogen, and free fatty acids, and their influence on serotonin release. Stress, a common facet of modern life, can trigger a cascade of hormonal responses. One of these is the increased release of serotonin, a hormone often associated with feelings of well-being and happiness. But did you know that estrogen and free fatty acids also play a pivotal role in this process? Yes, indeed. Estrogen, the primary female sex hormone, not only enhances serotonin's actions but also its release. This intricate relationship between estrogen and serotonin means that changes in one can significantly impact the other, leading to a ripple effect throughout the body. The story doesn't end there. Free fatty acids, often released during periods of stress or fasting, can also prompt an increase in serotonin release. This can have a lipolytic effect, breaking down fats and lipids. But it's not all good news. An increased serotonin release can also suppress progesterone synthesis, hence disturbing the delicate balance of hormones in the body. Now let's bring progesterone back into the mix. Remember, progesterone is like the yin to estrogen's yang. Where estrogen enhances serotonin's actions, progesterone antagonizes them. This push and pull between estrogen, progesterone, and serotonin highlights a complex interplay, a delicate dance that plays out within our bodies every day. The consequences of this dance can be far-reaching. Hormonal imbalances can lead to a host of health issues, from mood disorders to metabolic problems. Understanding these interactions can help us make sense of the intricate machinery that is our body. Deciphering the intricate interplay of hormones can help us understand our bodies better. This knowledge isn't just academic, it's a tool that can empower us to take control of our health and well-being. So let's keep learning, keep exploring, and keep asking questions. The more we know, the better equipped we'll be to navigate the complex world of hormones and health.